I'm going to let you hear this noise so you can see what I came up with on this transmission here. Now it's been out 3 times. We changed the torque converter, and then we took that whole transmission out and then changed the whole transmission. Still the same noise. Okay, let me let you hear it. Okay, let's get inside here, start this. Okay, it's not making a noise now, but it will. Alright, it's starting to make the noise a little bit. Took about maybe 4 minutes of running. I'm starting to hear it. It's slight as the fluid warms up. Transmission warms up, it starts to get a little louder. You can't hear it right now. It's going to be louder. You will hear it inside the vehicle. It's not loud yet. It'll get louder. Let me raise this engine. Now, you should hear that slight noise, a high-pitched whine. Now remember, the torque converter is right here, and the pump is right there. So the torque converter and the pump is here, and you can hear that, can you? Now this gets louder and louder and louder. You should hear that little buzzing. Now, this has not happened to me in over, I don't know, let me see, maybe 13 years. And this noise made me take this transmission out 3 times and actually change the transmission. Okay, let's make sure we get a good look. Here's the trans. You can hear that noise. You hear that buzz. You really can hear it buzzing. So what is the problem? Well, I happen to put my hand on these transmission lines. Let me tell you exactly what is happening. These transmission lines are pulsating right along to the noise. You can feel them. As you hear that buzzing noise, it was a beep, 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 beep. So do you hear you feel the lines making the same pulsating noise. You know what this could be? Restricted line. Restricted transmission lines can make noise. Can't be the torque converter, it was changed. Can't be the pump, because the whole transmission was changed. So the only thing left is going to be these lines, and the reason we didn't check these lines is because we hardly ever run into a restricted line. I said about, what, 13 years? And I can feel it. If there was a way that I can put something on here and it can show the pulsating of the lines. You know what? That might be, maybe an oscilloscope you can put something on lines and you can tell the lines are pulsating or running smoothly, huh? I don't know. But you can hear that noise. Okay, so now tomorrow, what we're going to do is take these lines apart and put a cooler in there. I'll run a hose from one line to the other and let it run about 5 minutes, see if that noise goes away. And it's going to go away. These lines are restricted. Something is not right. Okay, here's that Jeep Liberty. This vid has been running for over 5 minutes and the noise has not come back. The deal was to see the transmission lines, cut those transmission lines and loop them together. Where it's going directly back into the transmission up in there, and what I did was just bypass the whole cooling system. And the noise has not come back, it's not pulsating. I was going to put a cooler in here when I found out it was pulsating anyway, but I'm doing this extra test, and this was told to me by, Tom Fredericks. So he said, try looping them together and see if it goes away. And sure enough, it does go away. It doesn't burn the transmission up, because it takes a while for the transmission to warm up, but in 5 minutes time this was making that buzzing noise and the lines were pulsating, so I don't have to worry about that now. So I know that this was in the cooler. Somewhere there's a restriction there and it has to be dealt with. So I'm going to eliminate that, as I said, and I'm going to click on where is it? Right here. This aftermarket trans cooler, and then we will be good to go. We will be good to go. Okay? Let y'all see exactly how I did that. Cut the line, loop them, will go directly back into the transmission, and let it pump. Nice solid flow now. Nice solid flow.